Let's make orange juice. Ingredients. First, we have orange, sugar, water. First, cut the orange. Then we peel the orange. Now we put it in the mixer. Now we added some sugar. Then we pour some water. Then we close the mixer and put it in the mixer. Now we shoot some juice and then we strain the juice. Now we slow the glass. Juice is ready. No, so yummy and tasty. Juice is so tasty and yummy.